Zero shot prompting means that the prompt used to interact with the model won't contain examples or demonstrations. The zero shot prompt directly instructs the model to perform a task without any additional examples to steer it. Due to the massive amount of pre training data they observe, LLMs are pretty capable of solving tasks in this way. Namely, they can leverage their knowledge base to solve a large number of tasks. Zero shot prompting is one of the most widely used methods in interacting with large language models. Let's look at three questions given to Gemini, a large language model chatbot developed by Google AI. First question: if a person sees a painting in a mirror, does the reflection of the painting show more detail, less detail, or the same amount of detail as the original? And explain why. Gemini first answers the question and then provides an explanation to it. Here's another question. Translate the following sentence into French while preserving its double meaning. The old man, the boat. This is a challenging translation due to ambiguity in French interpretations. Gemini explains that it cannot provide a direct answer and then provides the reason of ambiguity. Now, last example, which is a riddle. Get a wolf, goat, and cabbage across a river one at a time without any being eaten. Gemini provides a complete step by step approach of how this problem can be solved. Zero shot learning was explored extensively by models like GPT-2 and performs well in some cases. However, what should we do if zero shot learning does not solve our task? In many cases, we can drastically improve the performance of an LLM by providing more specific and concrete information. In particular, we can start adding examples of desired output to the prompt, allowing the model to replicate patterns from data seen in the prompt. That's where few shot prompting comes in.